Hello everyone! Today I'm going to teach you a little bit about myself. I was raised in a small town known as Waterloo, which is located in the Finger Lakes area of New York State. A fun fact about Waterloo is that it is the birthplace of Memorial Day. I received my bachelor's degree from SUNY Fredonia in childhood inclusive education with a mathematics middle school extension and an early childhood certificate as well. Did you know that SUNY Fredonia is the second oldest state college in all of New York State? After receiving my degree at Fredonia, I went on to receive my master's degree in exceptional education grades 1 through 6 from Buffalo State College. I learned that Buffalo State College was originally built in order to train teachers to help serve the growing inner city population. Next is when my journey truly began. I moved to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan to a city known as Sault Ste. Marie. A fun fact about Sault Ste. Marie is that in the wintertime, the temperature will be negative 35 degrees, but you will still have to go to school. While in Michigan, I married my husband and began teaching at Brimley area schools, which had a high poverty, high Native American population. I taught second grade for 8 years at Brimley, and during that time I had my two children, G. Marie, who's now 4 years old, and Ryan James, who's 20 months old. I became trained in programs such as writing workshop, math recovery, champs, running records, and I was able to work one-on-one with a literacy coach and a mathematics coach as well. I served on many committees, such as the PTO, where I was the secretary and at one point the treasurer, the math committee, the reading month committee, and the school safety committee. My classroom ran on a positive reinforcement ticketing system. Students were able to earn tickets throughout the week from myself or any other staff member for things such as time on task, making smart, safe choices, being a good friend, and then they would put their ticket into the bucket. At the end of the week, I would pick 3 tickets at random, and those students would be able to pick a prize from the prize bucket. My school also had a positive reinforcement ticketing system as well, but on a much larger scale. Lastly, my journey brought me here to Erie. My husband received a job transfer, which we were ecstatic about because it brought us closer to both our families. Fun fact about Erie I learned is that it is known as the Gem City because of its sparkling lake. Thank you for joining me on this short geography lesson of my life. I'm excited about the possibility of becoming a future Fairview Tiger. Go Tigers!